Welcome to Bill Payment and Audit with D&B Logistics. Keep your money, lose the headaches. This slide depicts actuals, case studies, and savings. Shown here are three separate clients for the period of time 2017 to 2020. Billed in each column shows the amount of total invoices presented. Paid is the actual amount due, and saved is the difference between the two. In one case, 7.6% is the lowest amount in this period, and 16.4% is the highest amount shown in this period, depicting that each client has unique freight needs and will achieve unique results. How do auditors save you money? Every shipment starts with a contract between the shipper and the carrier called the bill of lading. This contract gives the carrier the right to move things they don't own. As you can see, valuable data is printed on every bill of lading. Our data entry clerks capture this information for your use in the database. All data in our database is available to our clients for unlimited use. When the shipment has been completed, the carrier gets a signed receipt called the delivery receipt. Again, our data entry clerks capture this data into our proprietary database. Looking here, we can see that the carrier had an appointment of September 12th between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. and that they were on time. The ability to track real on-time percentages of each carrier can help your shipping managers make decisions that keep your customers happy. Now we come to the heart of the audit, the invoice. The auditor reviews the invoice for errors like wrong party billed, weights not matching the bill of lading, wrong freight class billed, accessorial charges, mismatched backup. In this real case, the carrier billed a third-party shipment outside of the pricing agreement. Let's take a closer look. The contract between the carrier and the client dictates the tariffs, discounts, points covered, and alike. Because the contract read shipments on which the customer pays the freight charges, the carrier has agreed that the discounts they offer apply on anything they bill to the client. Shown above is the actual line from the contract and the actual screenshot of the D&B Logistics custom-built rate tool for this client. You can see that the shipment should have been a $90 minimum charge for 717 pounds. You can also see that the effective fuel surcharge rate should have been 6.4% for the date and shipment. Because the auditor was familiar with the third-party language in this contract, this invoice was cut back by $1,006.12. We also notified the carrier of the billing error and had them correct the mistake in their accounting. Here, the client saved money, staff training, and time needed to work with the carrier. In this real example, the carrier has charged to ship some equipment. They are also charging $65 for a liftgate and $93 for non-commercial delivery. Because the audit staff validates these charges, our auditor looked up the location. In this case, the location was a brand new car dealership. So new, in fact, that Google Maps satellite view still shows it as a vacant lot. The carrier improperly assumed that the location was not equipped with a loading dock because they were working from outdated map software. Because the location was verified, the auditor successfully reduced the invoice by $158, the 66% of the total invoice. Again, the client saved money and incurred no cost to the employee time to work with the carrier. We don't just know our stuff. Because each account is assigned to a freight auditor and a data entry team that works only on a small number of clients, we specialize in your stuff. In this invoice, we see that YRC, the nation's largest LTL carrier, is moving some bare coil from Rhode Island to Kentucky. The auditor on this invoice is aware, though, that freight classification on this client's bare coil should be Class 60, not Class 175. After working with the carrier to resolve this, the invoice was reduced by $1,868.50, or 68% of the total bill. The value is also in the data. Besides the audit savings, D&B provides value in data analysis. Our clients capture vital data on key performance indicators based on our ability to extract over 100 points of data from every invoice. This visibility is turned into custom reports, charts, and data files that provide real-world information that executives and shipping managers need to save time, money, and aggravation. We also have value in our trusted partnership. Because our team is built to save your team time and money, we don't just look out for audit savings, we look out for total savings. In a real-world example, we noticed that one of our clients had a customer that always required AM delivery, and so the shipping manager obliged. In the course of 1 year, that simple request had added costs of $40,000. We notified the client. In review, both our client and their customer agreed that the cost was too much and changed the practice. Our policy is to create a partnership with our clients that saves them money. Because our fees are not based on audit recoveries and we take no carrier kickbacks or commissions, our goal is to add value and prevent waste for our clients. We hope that you've enjoyed this presentation of D&B Logistics freight audit and payment capabilities. We look forward to serving you.